Thank you so much, Wilda, sa pasilip-silip. I could stand on my own. Oh, baby, those memories come crashing through, and I just can't move. Walking down. You, Junix Mix Vlog, may love shout out. Thank you so much for coming. Ayan. Junix, punta ako sa bahay mo. Punta yung alagad ko sa bahay mo, Junix. Maraming salamat sa pagbisita. Just can't live without you. I miss everything about you. Just words come crashing through. And I just can't. Junix, dito ako sa bahay mo. Ayan, hindi pa nakakonect sa ito kasi alagad lang to. Pero i-connect ko siya. Panood mo na. Ayan, dito ako sa latest. Magluto ng paanang manok. Magluto daw siya ng paanang manok. Ate Lols, maraming salamat. Matulog ka na, Ate Lols. Junix watching ha. Andito pa ako sa Alice Junix. Nyaw lang ako, Ate Lols. When you say I miss the things you do, I just wanna get back close again to you. But for now, your voice is near enough. How I miss you and I miss your love. And all the days that pass me by so slow. All the emptiness inside me knows all around, and there's no way out. I'm just thinking so much of you. There was never any doubt. I can wait forever. You'll be there too. I can wait forever with you here. I know it's worth it all. Spend my life alone with you. Google Watch ko to, Junix, kung andyan ka pa, ha? Look, I saw where it was wrong. Took my love and gave it somewhere to belong. I'll be here when hope is out of sight. I just wish that I was next to you tonight. And I'll be reaching for you, even though you'll be somewhere else, my love will go like a bird on its way back home. I could never let you go, and I just want you to know I can wait forever. If you say you'll be there.